Aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are circularly structured organic compounds that contain sigma bonds along with delocalized pi electrons. So, they are also referred as arenes, or sometimes it is called as aryl hydrocarbons. So, for being an aromatic hydrocarbon, it should satisfy certain criteria. That is, it should be a cyclic compound, it should have planarity in geometry, and it should have complete delocalization of electrons over rings. If a hydrocarbon is satisfying this criteria, then we call that as a aromatic hydrocarbon. So under aromatic hydrocarbons, we know the basic is benzene. So we have to learn what are all the different methods of preparation of benzene. Benzene is commercially isolated from coal tar, but there are several ways of preparing benzene. Few of a method of preparation we shall discuss. So, benzene can be prepared from benzoic acid. That is, benzoic acid will be mixed with soda lime or solid sodium hydroxide and it's being heated. Then benzene is given as carboxylic reduction, and here soda lime is nothing but mixture of your calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide. The mixture is used as soda lime mixture. So we could say when benzoic acid is passed through sodium, it will give us sodium benzoate, and then again if we pass it through soda lime, that is NaOH and CaO, it gives us benzene plus sodium carbonate. Another method of preparing benzene is from phenol. Phenol and zinc dust will be heated by which OH group is eliminated and we get benzene as the product. The third method of preparation of benzene is preparation of benzene from. So, benzene diazonium salt actually reacts with H3PO2, or we could say CH3CH2OH. Then benzene is given as the product. So if we say benzene diazonium chloride, it is reacting with H3PO2, it gives us benzene as the product plus hydrochloric acid and N2. So there are many more methods of preparation of benzene. Benzene can be prepared from different methods. And if we see the reactions of the aromatic hydrocarbons, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. That is, electrophilic aromatic substitution is an organic reaction in which an atom that is being attached to an aromatic system, that is basically the hydrogen, it will be replaced by an electrophile. So, some of the most important electrophilic aromatic substitution are aromatic nitration, we could say halogenation, sulfonation and alkylation, acylation, as well as the most important, which we call it as your Friedel-Crafts reaction. So when we say, there are many examples of your halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, but when we say most important is your Friedel-Crafts reaction. So when we say Friedel-Crafts reaction or Friedel-Crafts alkylation, it refers to the replacement of an aromatic proton with an alkyl group. So an alkyl group can be added to a benzene molecule by an electrophile aromatic substitution reaction, and that is what we call it as Friedel Friedel-Crafts alkylation. It is a very important reaction in point of view of your NEET exam or Z-main exam. So when we say Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that is a benzene, it is reacting with CH2Br in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, and here one of the hydrogen, that is an aromatic proton, will be replaced by the alkyl group, and then we get the product as your CH3 attached to a benzene ring plus HBr. So this sort of reaction, or this reaction, we call it as Friedel-Crafts alkylation, which is a very important reaction in point of your competitive exams.